action. Yo, I'm Skelly with Maison Dayun. Today I wanted to say what's up to y'all. I appreciate all the orders. We're here packing some stuff up to send out to y'all, and while we did that, you know, I wanted to take a look at a few cool sneakers that we're sending out that we'll do a quick little unboxing and review before we let them go. Shimmy shimmy. So timely, you know, right now we got the patent Breds that just came out. We got a couple pairs of these Yeezys. I'm not gonna review these Yeezys, and I'll tell you why. I'm not Yeezy Mafia, ain't never fucking worn a pair of Yeezys, and I am checks over stripes. 100p. Now, I have a lot of friends who wear Yeezys and swear by them. This is not my style, but I'm absolutely gonna always carry them. And I have no shit to talk. Apparently they are mad comfortable. You know, I just ain't got a size in the 12 that I found that I liked yet. So I'll let you know when that happens. But you know, I'm not an expert in Yeezys, so I don't feel like I can review them or unbox them. You know, they got this little thing going with Nike with their little fly knit, prime knit fight. You know, we'll see how that ends up. But all in all, you know, great pairs of shoes. And if y'all want to rock them, I'm gonna fucking carry them for sure. So you know, I'll be glad to take a look at a pair of them. We got 2 slides and 2 of the Yeezy MX, or we got a Yeezy MX Rock, as well as a Yeezy 350 Boost Beluga Reflective. Couple cool pairs. And then you know, the holy grail of what's going out today, we got this Jeff Staple, we got these Staple Pigeon dunks that are going out. The Panda dunks, not the OG ones. Don't worry, nothing fucking crazy. But yeah, let's take a look at these bad boys. These Pandas are so dope. You know, classic SB box. You take a look at this. You know, it's legit because it was $100. Dunks aren't even that cheap now, especially not the SBs. Woo! Damn, son. You got your little pigeon right here. And then you got your staples, samples not for resale. Icy ass sneaker soles. Beautiful fucking shoe. I love this pair. Would it be a pair that I would rock though? You know, that's why I'm letting them, that's why I put them up on the site. That's why I put them in the store. You know, great shoes. I love them. I picked them up. But you know, for me, I'm a strictly J guy, bro. Or I got, you know, when I'm working, we got them fucking Tim boots, baby. You know, I got them Tims every day when I'm getting to work, getting to that hustle. These are the MX Rocks. These are a very cool pair, honestly. Pop these open really quick. Check these out. Got that Addy Boost, beautiful shoe. You know, we got a little reflective along the side on this little sedimentary. That's apparently what this is going for, is this little sedimentary rock feel. So, you know, I definitely see that. If I had to give it an aesthetic rating out of 10, I would be like maybe 8.5. Very neutral, beautiful shoe. You know, pretty much goes with everything. Is it like popping crazy though? Nah, not crazy. But these are cool shoes. I fuck with them. I would rock. Check these ones. Now these ones for sure I would rock. They just resold though before I could put them on. So these were gonna be my first pair of Yeezys, and then someone swooped them off the site real quick like. But damn, son, look at these Beluga reflectives. Anyways, they're pretty. Very subtle little orange on the inside. Yeah. These are a very pretty shoe. I like these too. I say aesthetically, I give these a I give these a 7.5 just because, you know, with this orange they ain't gonna go with this much stuff. But you know, definitely rockable with most things. And hey, beautiful shoe. Let's see. Who wants to bet what color these ones are, bro? These ones are probably the poop emoji ones. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they are. Now, this is the color of the poop emoji. You know, glossy little foam slide, baby. I don't know if I'll fuck with this color, though. It's like, no cat, I don't fuck with that color at all. Let's be real, I don't. Now, these ones, on the other hand, whoo. Let's check these slides out. These are beautiful, bro. You know, I would give these aesthetically. Damn, the Piers is that's a clean color, bro. This is clean. You could rock these with anything. They mad tight. Yeah, these are the ones. These ones are fire. I definitely think that I like this color of any of the ones we've seen so far today. Aesthetically, I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10 because they go with pretty much fucking everything. They're mad relaxed and they're styling at the same time. I'm a huge fan of anytime anything can be worn in multiple situations. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you could rock that on a Sunday around the house, or you could take it to church, you know, and it's fancy enough to be rocking in that situation. You know, like if it's a Saturday cartoons lounge house shoe, but you could also wear that to a Michelin star dinner because it's flossy enough. We're talking. That's the ultimate, bro. That multi-function for me right there. So I heavily fuck with that. But now let's get to the holy grails of today, the timely shoe. You know what it fucking is, son. We got the patent Breds. Ooh. Yeah, I don't like them. Aesthetically, 6 out of 10. Honestly, fuck this shoe. I don't get it. Are we going to prom with these Breds, bro? We going to prom with this shit? Like, I don't fuck with the patent like this. Not with the black patent, bro. I like the black is prom shoe. Not to be hating. Like, if you love this shoe, you should love this shoe. I love it. You know, any Jordan 1 that's a classic colorway, obviously I'm gonna fuck with, but like, I don't know, like the plastic here, the patent, just not it for me, bro. I like the natural leathers. So you know, the fact that y'all paying $500 for these, whoo, I'm loving that. That's my favorite part about the shoe. But aesthetically, like I said, 6 out of 10, honestly. Not the business. I think there's a lot more ones that came out this year that you know, this is like the definition of hype. Hype. Design-wise, hype to the shoe, bro. It's just the Bred colorway. It's not that interesting. It's not new. It's not original. It's not pushing the brand forward. So, you know, it's got to be fire materials. Even with the patent, he added a little like keychain thing. All in all, the quality is great. You know, it's hard to sew on that patent leather. It looks way better than the patent that was on the trophy room. It's that like vinyl coated shit that they stitched that horribly. Now that being said, do I still like, there are so many better ones that came out this year that are way more affordable if you have to buy resale and don't get it at retail, that I would way rock over this one. You know, like lot of ones that I would rock instead of this that are way cheaper. Prime example, you know, these ones came out earlier this year. These are the Volt ones, the Volt OGs. A lot of customizers have been picking these up and then repainting these in the back heel to kind of just do a little effect on it. I like them the way they are, and as you can see, I'm beating them to shit. So, you know, these are definitely a pair that I would be like, yo, you know, the quality is probably not as high as these, but like as far as affordability and like aesthetic wise, these are a fucking clean Jordan. These are clean. You know, these are they clean like for date night or some shit, but like not like, but these are clean. Like surprisingly so. You know, I could wear these out in the rain, but I could also wear these to dinner. Like subtle with the little foam expose on here too. Proper. So thank you again for rocking with me. It's a nice rainy day in LA. Really enjoy spending time with y'all, and I hope you enjoy me packing up these orders in super speed time. Anyways, y'all have a wonderful day. This has been Skelly with Eat Art Smoke Fashion, brought to you by Maison Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our website. See if there's anything that you want to rock, baby. Come on, pull in, stay flossy. Y'all have a beautiful